All right, so we're gonna set up an OpenRouter key. I'm gonna document the process here, start to finish, so y'all can see how this goes. So be just a moment here to get fired up here. So first step, of course, go to OpenRouter AI, right? And that'll load. And from there, just click the sign in. It's going to say, do you want to sign in? Well, better sign up, right? You can use your GitHub or whatever you like, Gmail here. I'll just use, actually, I think I already used that email, so I'm going to use one of my other ones that I use for throwaway. I don't really monitor it much or anything. So you got to give it a password. As always, I recommend using a password manager. Makes life way easier than trying to remember all those darn passwords. So here, just setting up the password manager. It just takes a moment to grab a password. And we'll drop it in here. Of course, you got to agree. Oh, sorry, for some reason that screwed up. Hang on. Let's try that again. Copy, paste, continue. Got to make sure you're human. All right, there'll be a verification link. I'll just click on that real quick. Take a moment for that to come in. All right, there we go. It drops you into OpenRouter. From here, you go over to keys, create a key. You can just call it OpenRouter key. Hit create. There's the key. All right, and then head over to Visual Studio. Just trying to find, yeah, there is. Of course, I gotta share Visual Studio here. It'll take a second. Sorry about that. It turns out I clicked the wrong thing. In the settings, you got to make sure it's set to like DeepSeek free, right? So here, let me show you. They have like this whole list, right? So you got to make sure you pick any one of the free ones. Probably another way to go about it is just type free in here, right? And then you can see all the different free, right? They even have like Gamma, Llama. See, they have so many free ones. Cran. Cran is fast and free, and 32B is not bad, for example. So you can go, for example, Cran free. Hit done. See, it's talking about this. Can you use C# to make database applications, for example? Hit start. Right? And I'm in ask mode, by the way, so just so to be quick. This is on the free key. I just signed up a brand new fresh account. And see, it's talking about all kinds of stuff right here. See? All free. All right. Hope this helps.